Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. These will help you safely open the laptop and replace the battery without causing any damage. Start by powering off your HP 250G8 and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the replacement process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the battery compartment. Locate the screws securing the back panel. You will typically find around 6 to 8 Phillips screws. Carefully remove these screws and keep them organized. If you're unsure about the process, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always consult us if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. After you've successfully removed the panel, you'll see the battery prominently located within the compartment. Next, identify the battery connector. It's usually secured with a clip that you need to gently lift to disconnect it. Be careful during this step, you don't want to damage the connector. After disconnecting, you can remove the screws holding the battery in place. Typically, there are 2 or 3 screws to remove. Once the screws are out, lift the battery out of its compartment. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal area with a microfiber cloth. This is an excellent opportunity to remove any dust that may have accumulated, ensuring optimal performance. Now, take your new battery and secure it in place. Start by connecting the battery connector back to the motherboard. Make sure it clicks into place, ensuring a solid connection. Then, replace the screws that hold the battery securely. As you're reassembling the laptop, remember to double-check that all connections are secure. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the steps, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to send your laptop for professional service without any hassle. Plus, there are no calls or travel involved. After everything is in place, take the back panel and align it correctly. Press down gently to ensure all clips are secured. Finally, replace the screws you previously removed to secure the back panel. Once all screws are back in place, turn your laptop back over and connect it to a power source. Power it on and ensure that the new battery is recognized. If everything works as expected, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 250G8. For those who prefer not to tackle this task themselves, remember that we provide a quote before any repair. So, if you want to skip the hassle, feel free to reach out to us for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.